Living Stones, the ultimate full-spectrum mineral supplement. Your body is built on minerals, yet most diets today fall short of providing them. That's why Living Stones was created, a complete mineral formula designed to restore balance, energy, and vitality. Full-spectrum formula, from major minerals supplied by Albion Labs, the gold standard in mineral nutrition, to Aquamin marine minerals, Silica, and the powerhouse Shilajit. One daily convenience, everything your body needs in a daily dosage. Optimal absorption, Albion's chelated minerals ensure maximum bioavailability so your cells receive what you take. Supports whole body health, from strong bones and joints, to energy production, mental clarity, and immune defense. For everyone, every day, because minerals are the foundation of life, and Living Stones makes it simple to get them all. Nourish your body with the minerals nature intended. Build your health on Living Stones. Unlock the power of minerals with Living Stones. Why choose Living Stones? Superior absorption for maximum benefits. Supports your entire well-being from energy to mental clarity. Transform your health and vitality, because minerals are life. Build your wellness foundation with Living Stones today.